Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to this relaxing afternoon walk at two of California's best beaches. We are here in Newport Beach on a nice Monday morning. Nobody's here. No, I have not.
No.
I think it's at least 30 years since I came. I used to come here a lot. But look at all that beach with nobody. We're walking on the pier. Very few people here. And I think there's more surfers than people. There's a lot of surfers down there. I think this is called the Balboa Pier. We are in the Balboa Peninsula, Newport. What is this guy looking at? He's looking out the beach. Oh, the bird just flew off. Hello. Oops. Hello.
Hello.
Where are we?
We're at Newport Beach.
What are we doing here?
We're just seeing the sights, seeing the beach. Ben Carlson.
Who is it?
Ben Carlson.
Isn't he the guy who... That's not the Ben Carlson who was a politician. We are now in Laguna Beach, just enjoying this Monday afternoon. Another place I have not been to for over 30 years. Hello.
Well,
where are we?
we're in Laguna Beach now.
What are we doing?
We're going to check out the beach and see what's going on.
Okay. Welcome to Laguna Beach. Look at those little kids. It's a Monday. What are they doing out on a Monday? Shouldn't they be at school? Although it's, I think, close to 3 o'clock now. What time is it? Do you know?
3:42.
Oh, no wonder. Because there are kids playing now. The sun's kind of low now. It's not quite sunset, but...
Well, we're going to be going... shouldn't be that bad. I used to come here when I was in grad school. This is the busy street. This is Pacific Coast Highway. It goes all the way up to San Francisco. Look at all those houses along the hills. Those are probably the ones that are susceptible to landslides. This is a pretty good vantage point of Laguna Beach. There's a main beach area over there where we were walking, and you can see the beach all the way down there. And here, it's very, very nice. Such a nice mild day also. It's pretty warm for this time of the year. Oh, there's the wedding photography. Oh, it looks like the guy's in the military.
Yeah, we have to go. Look at that island. And all the birds. Some of them are really big. I think they're pelicans. There's the guy down there setting up a camera waiting for the sunset. Nice restaurant here overlooking the water.